Hello guys, my name is Akash and I am here to teach you data types in JavaScript. So there are data types in JavaScript. One is primitive and another is non-primitive. So in primitive data types we have number, strings, uh, boolean. Also we have null data types, undefined, string, and in non-primitive data type we have array and object. So with example we gonna see all these data types one by one. So to create the variable in JavaScript we generally use var keyword, and then after that we just declare the variable name. Suppose var a, and suppose I'll store 12 in this variable. So this variable is storing numbers in it. Okay, so this is the if I check the type of this variable, it should print the number. And how we gonna check the type is like we have this built-in function in JavaScript like type of, and then we specify the variable. If I run this, see, this is printing number. So similarly we can store here a string like this, hi and anything. So this is like the string. Also we can store the true and false. This is something like the boolean types. Okay, also we can store the store the infinity also in this. If you do infinity in this, and what will be the type of this infinity? Again it's number. So basically infinity, it's like up to what, like like that. So its type is infinity only. And again we have so let us move towards non-primitive data type. So, and one important thing about primitive data types are they are passed by value, not by reference. So suppose we have this a variable, and in this we have 10, and suppose we wanna make a copy of this a variable. So we declare some other variable like b, and we store a in it. So, and if I do the console log of a, it will be 10. Okay, but later on, suppose I'll change a to some other number, and I log the b here. So again it's 10. So this way this is stored by value, not by reference. So if you try to change the value of another variable, it will not reflect in previous one. Okay, so let us move toward the non-primitive data type. So in non-primitive we have object, and we have array also. Okay, so how we create the array in JavaScript? By we simply declare a person variable, and we just use this curly braces to create the object. And inside this we can have multiple key value pair. Suppose inside person we have name and its value, suppose Akash. Okay, similarly we can create a multiple support age. Also we can create 30 years. Okay, okay. So sometime back I said the non-primitive data types are passed by reference. So if we try to assign, if you try to make the copy of this person, uh, let us do that. And let create a variable, suppose person 2 this time, and we'll just assign the person. Okay, now if I do person 2 dot name equals to something like Deepak, or okay, and let us log the value of console.log. Let me just bring this down. Console.log the person 1 that we created first time, that name. So let me just if you see, the person 1 person, the our old person is also got changed, way, but we changed the person 2 dot name to Deepak. So this is why this assignment is done with respect to the reference, not by value. Okay, so this is the important thing to remember in JavaScript. So similarly for array also, the values, I mean the value stored is by reference, not by value. Okay, so let us move toward the I'll just comment this line, array. So how we declare the array, how we create an array in JavaScript is like my array. Suppose I created a variable my array, and we use this square brackets to create the array, and we can pass the values like suppose 1 2 3, suppose I'll add 5. Okay, so this is the array data structure in JavaScript. So this has the indexing like 0 1 2 3. So the indexing will start from 0, and it goes whatever the length of that array. Okay, so this is it, friends. uh, we will stop here, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.